Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing, and I've got here the Oppo Reno2. Yay! Oppo Reno in the house. I haven't played with any of the other Renos, the regular Reno and the Reno 10 times zoom, but I'm really glad that Oppo sent me this. It's fresh, it's brand new, so I want to unbox it for you and have a look at it together. This is an interesting box. It's kind of really long. It says Oppo on this side, there's a little barcode here, and another one here, and then it just says Oppo again on this side. The IMEIs are on the bottom, and so here it just says Oppo Reno2, and it's got the 4-camera cutout thing. Very cool. All right, let's have a look and open it up. You ready? Dun dun dun. And boom, here we go. Nothing inside. We have here a divider and the phone. So let's have a quick look at what's in there. Looks like a bunch of stuff. Not sure. That's it. Yeah. So it says Oppo here and Oppo. Not quite sure what these are. This looks like potentially a warranty card. And then here we've got, I think, a user's guide or something like that. Nothing too exciting, but here we go. So, interesting. I think this is a European model because it has some writing in multiple European languages there. But this is the phone, Oppo Reno2, 48 megapixel quad camera, 5x hybrid zoom, ultra dark mode. Let's see what else we got here. Ultra steady video, 6.5-inch AMOLED, 4,000 milliamp hour battery with VOOC 3 super fast charging, and 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. Not sure if there's micro SD on this one. And then, yeah, we'll have a look at it in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. We've got a divider. Oh, this is a nice little piece of plastic. Oh, we get a case, and it looks like it's a leather case. Wow. Or maybe vegan leather, faux leather. Yeah, this does not feel like real leather, but nice nonetheless to have this case provided. Then we've got a cable here for the charger. So it's a USB-C, obviously on one end. See, there's a little condom on it. And USB-A here, that's also got a little protection on there. And we've got a SIM removal tool right here, just in case we need it. Interesting that they put it in this location. And then we've got finally an AC adapter, European spec prongs, and then there's a green USB-A connector, that's for the VOOC. So there's your super fast charger. And finally, it comes with earbuds, which is a really nice little touch. And these are 3.5 millimeter. So that's really nice because, yes, this phone does a headphone jack. So that's the content of the box. Let's quickly have a look at the phone, shall we? So here it is. It's not a huge phone, despite the 6.5-inch display, so that's nice. I guess I'm going to see if I can slide it out like this, and if not, I will have to rip that apart. So here we go. Ooh, this is a lovely color. Wow. We've got the phone right here. I think there's some IMEIs in the back. Oh, wow. Very pretty. Let me remove that sticker so I can show you. So there it is. Oh, very nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oppo, and it says designed for Reno. I guess it's designed for Nevada. I should take it there. You can see the 4 cameras here. We've got a bunch of different sensors and lenses. Let me go through them all so you can kind of get a feel for what they all do, shall we? All right, so first, we've got a 48 megapixel f/1.7 main camera. I'm not sure which one's which, but the 48 megapixel is the main sensor, regular wide with OIS, and it's the, I believe, the Sony IMX586. Then we have a telephoto, which is a 13 megapixel f/2.4, and I think it's a 3x optical zoom. That's why they're able to do the 5x hybrid zoom with it. 1 micron. Doesn't look like it has OIS on the tele, which is a little unfortunate. Then it has an 8 megapixel f/2.2 ultra wide, with 1.4 micron pixels. That should be pretty decent in low light. And finally, we have a depth sensor, 2 megapixels, black and white, f/2.4 with 1.75 micron pixels. So that's it. And then you got that little dot here kind of sticking out, and that's really for the whole purpose of resting the phone without scratching the glass, because this is flush, right? So you got an LED flash here, some writing on the bottom. This is, I believe, a glass back. And then it's got this really crazy cutout for the pop-up camera, which pops up like this. And I will start up the phone to show you. Let me actually fire up the display so you can have a look at it. So this is a 6.5-inch AMOLED display. It is a 1080p display. It does have no bezels or very little bezels and no notches, since it is got a pop-out camera. So that's one of the cool things about it. Gorilla Glass 6, and there you go. You can clearly see the display. There's a bit of a chin at the bottom, as you'd expect, but not too much. Not too many bezels. AMOLED. In-display fingerprint reader, of course, as you'd expect. Let me walk you through the edges. As I said, there is at the top the pop-up camera with, I think, potentially a hole here for the secondary mic. On the left-hand side, you have the volume rocker. At the bottom, you have a headphone jack, primary microphone, and USB Type-C port. Then also the mono speaker. This, I believe, only has mono. Now on the right-hand side here, you've got the power lock key, the beautiful little green accent on the button, next to the SIM tray. So there's the SIM tray. This is probably a dual SIM phone. And then, yeah, that's it. In terms of specs, this phone packs a Snapdragon 730. This is like the second tier from the top from Qualcomm. It's a pretty great chip. The first time I got to play with it was on the Xiaomi Mi 9T. You should watch my unboxing of that. And it's pretty good. This comes with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, so lots of great features on this phone. So this is about a $500 phone, and it doesn't have, obviously, a flagship chipset, but close enough. 730 is a pretty solid chipset, and it's a really beautifully designed product with some really good specs overall. So it'll be interesting to try it out and take it through its paces. Right now I want to quickly set it up, just so we can see the pop-up camera. And United Kingdom, is there a US option? There is a US version, so there we go. And then I'm not going to connect to Wi-Fi. And I'm going to continue. And I'm going to no thanks. And okay. And more, accept. And skip. And skip. And continue. And continue. And I don't want to import any data, so let's go with that and then start experiencing. So let's have a look at this pop-up camera, because that's kind of like a very cool little feature. So let's see. All right, here we go. Here's the phone. As you can see, this is a really beautiful display, as you'd expect. Nice. Woo, it made a sound. Welcome to your new phone. Yeah, very, very nice. All right, camera. So here you go. There's the camera. So obviously I can throw in something here and we can have a look at it. But what you all came for is this part. Are you ready? Look at that. Is that the coolest thing ever or what? So it pivots instead of sliding all the way up. Just pivots. Very cool. Look at that. I guess it's making a sound every time it opens. Oh, no, I think it's just receiving some notifications that just seem to be timed together with the opening of the camera. So that's it, folks. That is the Oppo Reno2 here on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please stay tuned for more videos. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, click that little bell to get notified when I make new videos. Tell your friends about the channel so that they can subscribe, and comment in the comments below. So I'd love to hear what your thoughts are on this $500 pseudo flagship phone. And then also please remember, all these videos are a complement to the Mobile Tech Podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. I'm on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Cast, Overcast, Spotify, TuneIn Radio, everywhere. I hope you enjoyed, and please stay tuned for more. Cheers, everybody.